Good day, fellow investors. I have another amazing trade for you all, this time with Microsoft stock. So how will the trade play out? Let me show you. So as you can see, Microsoft hit some resistance right here and went down from there. The moving averages also didn't turn into an uptrend, so they are still indicating a downtrend. So what can you do right now? So here's the trade. You can short it at 327.79, around that area. Place your stop at 333.12 and your profit target at 311.45. And in this case, you will just wait for the stock to go down to 311.45. This is a lower probability trade because you enter with one candle just indicating that it could bounce down from resistance, but you could still take this trade. So this trade would give you a 2.84, around 3 times return on your money invested. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to see an even better trade where you can 20x your invested money, go look at the video right now on the screen. Bye!